guys, in this video I want to show you how I make my homemade salsa, and I preserve it, can it, and have it for the winter. It is my family's favorite recipe, and I will take you through it and show you how I make it. So I start off with mixed peppers. I also wash some tomatoes. We also put onions and jalapeno peppers, garlic, and celery. So, and then I also put black beans and frozen corn in there, as well as tomato paste. And yeah, so I'll take you through the steps. First step is I have washed the tomatoes, and I'm gonna take out the cores, or whatever this is called, and I'm gonna blanch them. So I finished peeling the tomatoes, so pretty much blanch them for like a minute, put them in the ice water bath, which I had purchased some ice, and then peel them, and I just have a bag to put the garbage, and then I quarter them in here. So they are over here, and just to show you, underneath all this stuff is all the cut up onions and peppers. And then I put about half a pound, I think, no, what is the size of this? This is I think it's a half, or maybe a kilo in here. No, so about a kilo of corn kernels, and now I'm gonna put the getting the 15 cloves of garlic cleaned, and then I'm gonna put all of the cilantro in it as well, and then I'm going to put the beans. I'm gonna rinse them and put them in. So I had added the beans and the cilantro. Now we're just gonna add the garlic. So I've added the paste and the garlic, and now I'm gonna add some vinegar and salt, and then it's ready to get cooked. So here it is, all ready to cook. So now we have to bring it to boil and then cook it for about an hour. And I'm doing it outside, so it might take a little longer to get it to a boil. So the sauce is done, and I had brought it inside. Well, my husband did. And now we're gonna ladle it into the jars. The jars are hot. Just came out of from the sanitize cycle from the dishwasher. And then I'm going to process them into two of these stock pots, or processing pots, or whatever they're called. And they need to be processed for 20 minutes. So the salsa is done. I had processed it in a water bath for 20 minutes, and half a bushel gave me 34 jars.